If you have a website, a landing page, or any online offer, but no traffic, nothing else matters. In this video, I'll show you how to generate traffic to any website, step by step, even if you're starting from zero. Most beginners struggle online for one simple reason. They don't have a consistent traffic system. Instead of guessing what works, I'll break it down into a simple structure you can actually follow. First, let's understand what traffic really is. Traffic simply means people visiting your page. But not all traffic is equal. There is random traffic, there is targeted traffic, and there is converting traffic. What you want is targeted traffic, people who are actually interested in what you offer. Now let's go through the 3 core traffic methods. Number 1, free traffic. This includes platforms like YouTube, social media, and forums. It takes time, but it builds long-term results. Number 2, paid traffic. This is faster, but it requires a budget. Ads can bring instant visitors, but you need to know what you're doing. Number 3, tool-based traffic systems. This is where things get really interesting. There are platforms and tools that help you generate traffic, capture leads, and automate parts of the process. This is often where beginners start seeing real results faster. Now let me show you a simple system you can follow. Step 1, create a simple page or offer. Step 2, choose 1 or 2 traffic sources. Step 3, capture leads. Don't just send traffic away. Step 4, follow up and stay consistent. Most people fail because they try everything at once instead of building one working system. Also, avoid these common mistakes. Don't chase every new strategy you see. Don't ignore email collection. And don't expect instant results. Traffic is a process, not a one-time trick. If you want to learn more about traffic generation, online marketing tools, and building a complete system step by step, make sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing more videos with practical strategies, tools, and real methods you can actually use. Let's build something that works.